Hello, my name is Andres Soriano, and this is my PLC Project 1 Milestone 1. So, I'll just be going through the demonstration steps, basically. First one is that the system can be switched between auto and manual, and which it can. Let me just turn on the MCR, turn off this e-stop, turn on the MCR. Now that there's power, I can switch mode. I can also hit mid, which turns off. So auto mode, the other. Next is for the fault messages. So when I press an e-stop, any one of these e-stops, fault message appears. Basically, if I hit the e-stop here, we go back to my HMI. The pick and place e-stop is pressed, which is that. So I'll just close. I'll turn the power back on, and I'll try another e-stop. Let's try the test e-stop. So when I press the test e-stop, and as you can see, we have a fault 30 test e-stops pressed. I'll turn the power back on. And I'll test all the gates have it, but I'll test a couple of the gates as well for the faults, so that if any of the gates are open. So I'll do the conveyor gate. That's open. You can see gate conveyor is open. Turn power back on. And the same goes for, I guess, any of the gates, like say the main gate. It's open. Well, main gate is open. So I'll close the gate. So that's all for the faults for the e-stop and gates. And then we cycle now for thing, all in manual. So I'll run the conveyor, conveyor now ready to be picked up. Turn that off, and now I can cylinder, and I can gripper pick up as well as yes. Now I can extend, and we're gonna bring it to the test station. Take this real quick. And gripper A back around. The gripper B is ready to pick it up. And as you can see, extend the chuck, extended, and then the test station LVDT, and I can also, this is all for the test. And then just now retry LV, pick up the part, the gripper B. Crack the chuck, bring it up. Then we'll bring it to the outfeed conveyor. There you go, fully retracted, conveyor vertical, and let go. See, just the part falls down, and we can turn that off. As you can see, it lights up whenever a sensor is activated. So per se, I want to extend this. the horizontal cylinder, it won't turn on until I switch for the horizontal extend is turned on when it's fully extended. And you can see that on my HMI it goes green when it's actually fully extended, and the reed switch has like turned on for the horizontal extend. Tracked. If I let go of it, the reed switch is not going to be activated until is fully retracted. Now it's retracted. Same goes for turn on when it's fully extended, just like that. Retracted. And as for our own, tracked, as well as grip extend. Then I'll turn on when the reed switch, and then retract. The reed switch will pick it up, and the light goes green. Gripper with the LVDT, our chuck, spindle, and etc. So right now I'll test out the homing button. So any of the positions, play with it, and when I hit homing, it should unrotate everything, and everything should go back into its retracted mode. As you can see, everything went back to retracted. So from the homing, everything's been retracted. Now I'll test out the fault messages. So let's force a tag. Let's say extend. And if I keep forcing it, at least for the horizontal to keep extending, a fault message should pop up. Force extended it. Correct. The fault message should pop up that the horizontal should fail to retract. You can see there, horizontal cylinder did not retract. That's because it's being forced to extend right now. Turn this off. I unforce it. Back to here. Let's try it with forcing the vertical. If I force the vertical to extend, and you can see the input for the retract turned on, but the fall will turn on once it realizes that the retract actually failed. See, vertical cylinder did not retract because, like I said, it's being forced to extend, and the PLC is not able to retract it when I hit the button. So now the fault message pops up, and I'll just unforce it. Yeah, and basically the fault message appears for my e-stops, my gate, when a cylinder isn't fully extending or when it isn't fully retracting. Here, actually, I'll do a retract example. Let's do the grippers. I'm gonna force a retract, and I'll try to extend. As you can see, I'm trying to extend the grip right now. That's why it's green. And if it doesn't, we'll timer pick it up. And there we have our message. Gripper A cylinder did not extend. All faults with it. Unforce that. And yeah. This is my PLC Project 1 Milestone 1. Thank you for watching.